everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back, and if this is your first time, you're welcome. To all my lovely subscribers and everyone watching, liking and sharing my video, I really appreciate you all. Thank you very much. This video is to show you how you can make a quick salad or coleslaw using just 4 ingredients. These ingredients are lettuce, cucumber, carrots and cherry tomatoes. To start off, peel the skin off the carrot. You can use a potato peeler or you can just use a knife to scrape the carrot. Then clean by washing it in tap water. Using a grater, grate the carrots into a medium-sized mixing bowl and set aside. Moving on to the cucumber, cut into 2 equal halves vertically, then cut one of these halves into 2 horizontally. Cut these 2 equal halves into 2 to get 4 quarters. Then slice them into smaller pieces as shown. Add the sliced cucumbers to the grated carrots in the mixing bowl. Now moving on to the cherry tomatoes, cut them into 2 equal halves. Then add this to the carrot and cucumber in the mixing bowl. And mix everything together using a fork. The last ingredient would be the lettuce. Cut it into 2 and remove any damaged or wilted layers of the lettuce, if there is any. Now slice the lettuce into tiny strips and add them into the mixing bowl. Please, if you are watching this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment and share this video. Thank you very much. Give the vegetable a quick mix using a fork. You can choose to have this salad like this without any cream, but if you would like some cream, you can use the salad cream or mayonnaise. Add a generous amount of the salad cream onto the vegetable mixture and mix it together using a fork. Add more salad cream if needed, and that is it, ready to serve. And that is how you can make a quick salad or coleslaw using just 4 ingredients. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye for now.